Welcome to the front of your OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. Then click to the screen recording and you'll see here the picture section. We can switch the definition, just our screen recording quality from low to the medium, or also we can set here the custom. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here somewhere on the top bar you should find the screen recording icon. In my case it's here. Just to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon. You will launch here the same settings, and after that you can also by the same way just switch the screen recorder quality, video quality. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.